big son of a bitch. Holy.
Yeah, he's right here, yeah.
I want to get his picture. Holy
Look at
that.
Biggest
fucking
holy
Damn,
shit.
holy yeah, baby. Holy cow.
Holy crap.
Watch it, that hook's gonna fly out.
Head.
Reach on in there and unhook it, Leon.
Yeah, I will. No, thank you. That's your fish.
Good
oh my
God.
golly.
I don't know, I guess we're going to leave him in the water and use the hook puller.
That was
Could you swing him up here? All I got to swear.
want to gaff it in there?
Grab his mouth, yeah. You ought to go and get that.
Oh, I hope so.
There you go.
Can you lift that?